it's not going anywhere, right? There's no specific strategy or problem that we're solving for someone that is kind of like the flagpole. Think of like a Grant Cardone's 10X. You listen to me, you're going to 10X everything that you do. You're going to become 17 feet tall. Your bank account's going to have $10 million in it. Or triple compounding. Some of these are actually good. Buy real estate to do this. It's not there in our content. And that means we talk about a lot of stuff and it's interesting. Some of our reels get some views. The engagement's been a little bit lower the last couple weeks. But what transformation are we bringing to the world that you can't get someplace else? Or if you can get it someplace else, what makes our transformation better? Faster, stronger, bigger, cheaper type thing.